everyone. If your life path number is 2, then this video is for you. And if your friends or relatives have this number, then you will know much more about them from this video. If you don't know about life path number, then please check my playlist and see my video on life path number. Number 2 represents moon in astrology. So number 2 people have similar traits like moon. If we had to describe number 2 in a word, that word would be cooperation. These people are the best negotiators. They meditate and bring balance and harmony to all situations. They are gentle and cautious. They think of everything and try not to hurt anyone by choosing their words carefully. Number 2 is not pussy by nature. They stand aside because they feel more comfortable in the background and preferring to avoid the spotlight. The thought of being the center of attention makes them feel uncomfortable and nervous. They are the hidden engine that runs the mission. Their second great strength is their adaptability. Number 2 is capable of taking on other people's qualities and hiding their true self behind a mask. Number 2 is selfless, full of love, and always standing up for peace. They are a true friend and would give everything for those close to them. Their family is particularly important to them. Also, number 2 represents the principle of motherhood. 2 is the number of partnership, regardless of whether that partnership is a friendship or an emotional or business relationship. They need a partner, someone to lead them onto the right path. They are susceptible to outside influences. Negative circumstances lead them to bad endings where they are subordinate to and dependent on others. Number 2 cares about what other people think, so they often seek approval. They also expect to be praised. This brings challenges that number 2 needs to overcome. They should not allow their mood to depend on others and they should accept that they won't always receive praise for their work, even though they have earned it. They should look for happiness and success in themselves. If they rely on the approval of others, it can lift them to great heights, but it can also break them when that approval is not forthcoming. This is the most sensitive number, and their moods fluctuate on daily basis. If they could see the world through the eyes of other numbers, they would realize they experience it with more emotion. It will take years for them to understand this and to set limits. As they want to make everyone around them happy, number 2 gives themselves selflessly. They often aim too high and end up disappointed, which can cause them to change their attitude completely. They have artistic tendencies and like to daydream and fantasize. Your subconscious is so powerful, so if you don't think positively, this can be destructive to your psyche. It's important to think positively and work on affirmations. You should not condemn your goal to failure, not even as a joke, because what you say remains written in your subconscious. You were born with a predisposition to learn quickly and gain knowledge effortlessly. Therefore, read as much as possible and educate yourself and expand your views. Find ways to strengthen your will and determination. Try to become independent as soon as possible. Frequently, number 2 underestimates their capabilities and they don't consider their own achievements significant, although this is not true. Number 2 makes a perfect business partner because they represent partnership. They are mostly satisfied with what they have. Everyone likes to cooperate with them because of their good communication skills and gentle nature, but they should be aware of manipulators because they can easily succumb to their traps. In love, number 2 seeks emotional fulfillment. This is very important to them. They are romantic by nature, gentle, full of love, selfless, dedicated to their partner. Due to their indecisiveness, they may have a number of relationships before settling down. Sometimes they are involved with more than one person at one time. Once married, they become loyal and dedicated. Harmony is imperative to them, so they try their best to have peace and understanding in the family. The influence of their surroundings can affect their relationships. They tend to idealize their situation and their partners. They have a lot of love for themselves. Their inharmonious version is unhappy, unkind, and negative. They make reckless moves. They easily become attached to their partner, making it possible for them to be hurt, manipulated, and used. They forgive endlessly, are quarrelsome, and can't resist people who destroy them emotionally. Emotional relationships can easily tire number 2 and drain their energy. They should be aware of becoming infatuated. A good health is not a strong point for number 2. Their immunity is weak, so they should be careful. Positive thinking is of vital importance in order to alleviate mental suffering. Practice meditation to find inner peace and don't waste your energy. In general, number 2 is prone to heart and stomach problems. Pay your attention to neck, throat, and lungs. Avoid water and water sports. Take care of your body and be physically active. So, thank you for watching.